What's going on, everybody? I'm working on my new tool cabinet. This is the first prototype of my workshop drawer, and in today's video I want to show you how to build it. There are a lot of possibilities to build such a shop drawer, and in my case I try to keep this thing as simple as possible. The only stuff we need is some solid wood for the case and some birch plywood for the front and the bottom. Everything is connected with this pocket hole joinery, and then I add this little parts just with glue to give this drawer a little bit more strength. I add this 40mm raster as an organization system for my drawer. I decide to add this part separately because I don't want to have some weak points in this structure. And with this organization system I can just change the drawer to whatever I need. This is everything we need for one drawer. We have 60mm thick solid wood for the sides, 2 sheets of 120 by 60 centimeters. One sheet is 10mm thick and the second sheet is 6mm thick. And this triangle thing to give the drawer a bit more stability. So let's get into the build. Now I got my solid wood broken down, and we can continue by cutting the notch for the bottom at the table saw. At next I just set up the caliper to 12mm because the bottom I will install is 10mm thick, and with this 12mm notch we have some play to install this bottom. So this will be my second cut, and the next thing I will do is just removing all this material with the table saw by moving the fence. For this triangle pleat, the cut don't needs to be 100% accurate, and in this case I will use the simple handsaw to preserve my table saw blade. Now it's time to bring all this stuff together. To connect all the parts we will use this relatively cheap pocket hole jig from the brand Wolfcraft. There is a bunch of videos on the internet how to use such a jig, but if you want that I explain how I use this stuff in detail, just leave me a comment down below. get the size of the drawer bottom, I measure from this inside to this inside and add 1 centimeter. One of these grooves for the bottom are 7 millimeter in depth, and that means that we have 2 millimeter of play on each side. And to mount the drawer to the slides, we will use this special kind of flathead screw. Oh Gott, oh Gott! Es funktioniert absolut perfekt. Reibungslos. Mounting drawers by yourself is always a great idea. I temporarily install these drawer fronts just by using some nails, because now we will build this crazy kind of DIY handle thing. I don't know. The only material we need therefore is this kind of aluminum tube and some logs of hardwood. To cut all of these parts in an efficient way, I screw them together to one solid block. This back piece of wood will prevent the last part from tear out. Now all the drawers are finished, and honestly I couldn't be happier with the result. Each tool has its unique place and it's perfectly protected from sawdust. In the next video I will show you how the cabinet is made, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the build. So if you want to support my work, you can like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.